In this video, I want to guide you on how to fix slow and lagging laptop in Windows PC. Is your laptop taking longer than expected before it responds to command? Then this video is for you. Here is what you need to do. The first thing you have to do is to open settings on your device. Click on this start button, then click on settings. Once you click on settings, come to the side here, locate and click on Windows Update. Now here, if you have any Windows update here, make sure you click on it and install the Windows update, or check for update. Make sure that your system is running on the latest version of its operating system. This will go a long way to fix a lot of bugs, a lot of softwares, a lot of programs that might cause your system to slow or lag. Now that I've done that, then you need to access the storage settings on your device as well. So come to the start button again, click on settings. Once you click on settings, go and click on system. Under system now, scroll down until you have a storage button, click on it. Once you click on storage, then scroll down and make sure that this storage sense is enabled. If your one is turned off, turn it on like the one you see on the screen. Then click on it. Once you turn it on, click on it, then scroll down to the base where you see scan storage now. Click on this button to run scan. This will help you take a lot of bugs, a lot of programs, a lot of files that might cause your device to run slowly or lagging. This will help you take them away from your device. So once you've done that, then just click on back here, then scroll down to this button that says clean up recommendation. So we have over 5 gig of storage available here. Click on it to open it. Once you click on it to open it, now you can take a look at what you see here. You have the recycle bin that's taking about 16.1 gig, then download is taking about 1.72 gig. So you can now select any of these and click on this button to clean it up on your device if you really want to do that. And I think this is one of the best way to do that and clean that on your device. With this, guys, we move on to this. The next step is also easy. So go to the start button here, click on it. Now type in adjust appearance in the search button here. So click on this one that says adjust appearances. Once you click on it, you have something like this. If yours is on let Windows choose for you, or adjust for the best performance, or adjust for this, just go ahead and click on custom settings. Once you click on custom settings, here is what you need to enable. Make sure you enable this one that says smooth edge of screen font. Enable this one. Then this one that says show thumbnails instead of icon, enable it. Then this one, animation in the taskbar, enable it. Then click on apply, then click on OK. Now that will settle that case. Doing that, you've been able to improve the rate at which your system will respond to command. The next, come to the search bar again, click on this search bar, type in disk cleanup. Now click on this button that says disk cleanup. Once you click on it, you have yourself here. If you have partition hard drive, make sure you select the C drive, click on it. Once you click on it, you have something like this. Now here, select everything you want to remove from this place. So once you've done that, then click on this button that says clean up system file. Once you click on system file, it may bring this again and it may not bring it. So if it brings this again, then click on OK. Once you click on OK, wait a few seconds for the system file to properly access your C drive and bring up this option again. Then as well, select everything you want to remove here, click on OK, then click on delete this file. So once you click on delete this file, just wait a few seconds for this to take away all the file you've checked on your device, and this will make your system to run very fast, and henceforth your system will not lag again when you use your system. Now the next thing you have to do is very simple as well. Come to the start button here, click on this start button, or you type here and search for settings. Let's type for setting, then click on settings icon. Once you click on setting icon, click on apps. Once you click on apps, then scroll down to startup button here, click on it and turn it on. Now here you have access to almost every apps you have on your device. Here you need to disable some of these apps that start each time you press the power button on your system. As you can see that most of the apps here is turned off, so take a look at what apps that is starting up whenever you tap on power button on your system. So take your time and see all this. If they are of no use, guys, turn them off. You can see that most of my own is turned off. Now that I've done that, then this will take us to the next step. The next step is very simple as well. Come to this on your system, combine window key plus arrow key to bring you this run box. Now type in msconfig, then hit the enter button. Then it comes out like this. Once you hit the enter button, go to services and click on it. Make sure you click on this one that says hide all Microsoft services. Click on it. It will hide all Microsoft services. Now that I've done that, then click on disable all. Once you click on disable all other things here will be disabled. Then click on apply, click on OK. Now you need to restart your computer for this effect to take place. Once you be able to restart your computer and this effect takes place, then guys, you are good to go. That's all, guys. With this simple setting in place, you've been able to solve the problem of your PC lagging or running slowly. If you enjoyed this tip, you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.